Jackson, I thought you were grilling. Well, be careful.
Jackson, who told you you can go downstairs?
I thought you were helping mommy grill.
Jackson, mommy said we need to stay in the deck. No downstairs.
Yeah, there you go. No. Work on the chicken over there, please. Work on the chicken. Make sure everything's cooking okay. Jackson, help her. She needs help.
So I guess we're going to do all of it grill. So.
Yeah, that's right. That's the way.
I mean, all of it barbecue.
I'll give this back to you in a minute.
Oh.
Jackson, what are you doing? Are you making some good food? He's so big. I have pictures from I don't know when, but like when he could like not even hardly reach those knobs.
Wow.
You know, he hasn't been on. He's not that old.
Is he
so
like
it wasn't that long ago.
How tall is he for his age? Like, is he right at the average?
Well,
or, you know?
The older you get, the less frequently you go to the doctor and get those measurements. But last time it was like 70 percentile.
What does that mean?
It means like 70% of the kids he's taller than. 30% are taller than him.
What do you think now?
So if you guys want to see yourself on the video, you just go to YouTube. Hey, what's wrong? What? What do you want? Say Happy Father's Day to me. And then maybe I'll go. Jackson? What's wrong? What do you want me to do? You want me to go downstairs with you? Can you say please? No, please. Say it right. Please. Okay, I'll go with you. Say bye.
That's mine. No, that's mine.
Bye. Give a kiss to the camera.
Inside.
Say I love you. Jackson, say love you. Say love you. Good jump. Say love you. I'm talking to him. It's fine. But yeah, I put all these videos on YouTube, and there's a ton of them. Jackson. Jackson. Say love you. Whatever. Don't forget that how thin that chicken is. You guys think the Heater or the Spurs are gonna win tonight?
What?
Heat or Spurs tonight?
I'm gonna go with the Heat. Heat? Yes. You love it. I don't think they're gonna win the series. I just think they're gonna win tonight.
Let's wager on it.
Oh, that makes sense. Yes.
Jackson, who do you think's gonna win? Say Heat or Spurs?
Heat, Spurs. Jackson?
I think he said Spurs. He says Spurs.
Whatever you heard last.
Yeah.
Jackson? Jackson?
I'm trying to push that door.
he went through. What do you
Grandma.
think? What do you think?
Alright, Jackson, say bye one more time.
Really?
Say bye.
Bye.
Love you.
Huh? What did he say?